Hi, today I'm making another recipe for my soda series, simple recipes using soda. Today I'm using Mountain Dew and we're going to make apple dumplings using Mountain Dew. The other thing we're going to do is there's this YouTube video that says you can make a glow stick using Mountain Dew, and then there's rumor that that YouTube video is a hoax. So today I'm going to make the recipe and prove whether or not you really can make a glow stick using Mountain Dew or whether it is a hoax. So first of all, let's start the apple dumplings. What you're going to need is 1.5 cups of sugar, 4 tart apples. I'm using Granny Smith. half of a cup of butter, 2 rolls of Pillsbury crescent rolls, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. And then, of course, 12 ounces of Mountain Dew. So spray your 13 by 9 casserole and then turn your oven on to 350 degrees and start peeling and cutting your apples so that you get 4 chunks, 4 good size pieces out of each apple. You want 16 apple chunks because you're going to get 16 crescent slices, and we're going to wrap them. So start peeling and slicing your apples so that you get 16 good sized chunks. Peeled and cut our apples, we're ready to roll. So if you can see down here, you take your apple chunk, put it on the end of the crescent roll, and roll it up. And then I seal the edges and you put them in the casserole. Roll them up. Seal the edges, put them in the casserole. You could even, some of them I was like flapping the edges over as I rolled. So if you want to do it that way, go for it. There, like that. Okay, now for the sauce. I melted the 1/2 cup of butter in the microwave, and you mix that with 1.5 cups sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And we're going to pour this over the top, and then we're going to pour the Mountain Dew over that. Just putting a little bit of the cinnamon sugar, I should say butter cinnamon sugar, over each dumpling. And then I'm going to pour the Mountain Dew over the top. Getting it even over each dumpling so each one tastes awesome. Okay, ready for the Mountain Dew? Let's do it. Okay, and we're going to bake this in a 350 degree oven for 45 minutes. Okay, while our dew dumplings are in the oven, let's try this little experiment to see if you can make a glow stick out of a Mountain Dew bottle. Now, just in case, I put skull and crossbones on one side so that kids wouldn't think this was Mountain Dew. You could write poison on it for adults. But anyway, I don't think this is going to work. Call me a skeptic, but I just don't believe this. What they say is to put only about 1/4 of an inch of Mountain Dew. You don't need very much. in the bottom. And then they say to use just a slight amount of baking soda. They don't give you an exact amount, but the YouTube video used about that much on a spoon. And so that's what I'll do. And then they used exactly 3 capfuls of hydrogen peroxide. I heard the baking soda fizz a little bit, but yeah, it would do that in soda. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is all they did, and then they shook it, and magically it just glowed like a glow stick. Okay, I'm not seeing it glow, but we'll turn off all the lights and we'll see, okay? Hi, you can't see me, right? Well, you also can't see the Mountain Dew glow stick because it's not glowing. So this is definitely a hoax. And what the people on Snopes said is that the way the people on YouTube got their bottle to glow is they actually used glow stick chemical in their Mountain Dew bottle. So we proved it's a hoax, and since it is a poison because of hydrogen peroxide, and I don't want anyone coming in here and drinking this, I'm pouring this down the sink and throwing it away. And now you don't have to try that experiment. Okay, my timer just went off. It's been 45 minutes, and the kitchen smells like cinnamon apple awesomeness. So I'm going to take these out of the oven and let you see what they look like. Oh my gosh, they look so fantastic, and they smell amazing. I'm going to let them cool for just a little bit, and then I'll serve them up with some vanilla ice cream. Here's a close-up view of them. They're cooling down just a little bit, so I'm going to serve them up in a bowl with the ice cream. Okay, let's serve one of these up, see what they taste like. There's what one looks like with some ice cream on the side. Okay, so there's your apple dumpling with some ice cream on the side and a little bit of the sauce on the ice cream. Okay, I'll get a bite here with the apple dumpling, the ice cream, and that sauce. Oh my heavens. This is so incredibly awesome. You have got to make this recipe. I am not kidding you. There's not a single soul on the planet who would not love this. This is an awesome recipe. Thanks for watching my video. Tune in for my other soda series videos, and I'll see you then. Thanks. Bye.